Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll show you very quickly how to easily add your phone to your Steam account. It's actually very easy. So guys, just go into the account settings from the home page. So you just click on your profile icon right here. You're gonna get a pop-up. After that, go to account settings, and in here, in the very first tab right here, the very top one, account settings, as you can see, under contact info, you will have manage your phone number. So in my case, as you can see, I already have the number added. I've hidden it for the privacy purposes, but I do have it added. And of course, if you want to add your phone number, if you haven't done it already, the first thing, of course, that you will have is email, because without email, it's impossible to create an account. And if you want to add your phone number for security purposes and reliability, you just press manage your phone number in here. And guys, it's extremely simple. After that, you get a OTP message from Steam with a verification code, just like basically everywhere in any service. You insert this code, you verify that this number is yours, add it to your account, and now it's ready to be used for example, two-factor authentication, for recovery of your accounts, and for other purposes as well. And in general, just adding your phone number just makes your account more secure. So that's basically how it's done. As you can see, very easy, not much to really talk about here. So hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one, my friends.